Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Agarwal and I'm a clinical dietitian. Today I am going to discuss 5 main benefits of consuming coconut every day. So, first of all, the first and foremost benefit of consuming coconut is that it really helps in relieving constipation. Coconut is basically 60% of fiber, and this fiber will really help in relieving constipation. Also, it is good for people who have high blood pressure. It is good for people who are diabetic. It is good for people who are trying to lose weight, because this fiber will keep their glycemic index of the foods less. If you combine coconut with other foods, it will also reduce their glycemic index, and therefore helping you in weight loss, helping you in sugar control, helping you in lowering your blood pressure. Second important benefit of consuming coconut is enhancing your bone health. It is very important for improving your bone, muscle, and nerve health. How? It is a good source of B complex vitamins. It is a very good source of copper, and it is a very good source of iron. All of these three are very important when it comes to your nerve health, your muscle health, and your bone health. Therefore, eating small amount of coconut every day will help you in boosting the health of all these three. Next important function of coconut is important benefit of consuming coconut is that it can help you in reviving your energy levels. It can help you with general weakness. How? First of all, it is very rich in iron and vitamin B complex. Both of them are very important when it comes to release of energy from your foods. So it will help in releasing better release of energy from the foods. Secondly, it has a mineral known as selenium. Now, selenium is very important for thyroid function. So, when your thyroid will function properly, your energy levels will automatically keep better, and therefore it will help you in overcoming general weakness. It will help you in boosting your energy levels. Next function is that it is a very good source of antioxidants. Now, antioxidants, I've discussed in many of my videos that there are numerous benefits of consuming antioxidants. But in short, I will tell you in this video that any kind of inflammation that is present in your body, whether it is due to wrong eating, or it is due to some injury, or it is due to some infection, or it is due to prolonged stress, all of these is taken care of when you consume antioxidants. And coconut has phenolic compounds which act as which have antioxidant properties, and therefore helping you in inflammation as well as stress. Final benefit of consuming coconut is that coconut is very rich in MCTs, which are also known as medium chain triglycerides. Now, medium chain triglycerides are very easy for the body to digest. So, they can be consumed in various situations, but three main situations it is very helpful. Firstly is when you are dealing with fever, or you have just got better from a fever. See, when you are dealing with a fever, your digestive system really takes a hit. It becomes really weak. So when you consume medium chain triglycerides during that time, it is easier for your body to digest. It is easier for your body to harness energy from it, and therefore giving you more calories to heal, giving you more calories to fight with the infection. Secondly, you can consume it when you are recovering from some surgery. Post surgery, the diet is supposed to be light, and whatever little fat you consume, if it is difficult for the body to digest, then it will lay more pressure on your digestion and it will give you a lot of discomfort. But when you will consume medium chain triglycerides, it will be easier for your body to digest, and therefore giving you additional calories for the healing process. Also, it will conserve the body's energy, which would otherwise have been wasted on digesting the other fat that you would have consumed. Thirdly, you can consume it when your digestion is not keeping okay. Whenever you have indigestion issue, do not move on to the oils which are regular oils, because they will give you a lot of they will take a lot of time to digest and lot of energy to digest. That will further aggravate your problem of indigestion. MCTs will be lighter on your stomach. It will be easier for your body to digest. So these are the 5 main benefits if you consume coconut every day. But little word of caution, like I said, that coconut is mostly fat, and it is a calorie dense food. So therefore, people who are trying to watch their weight, it is not advised for them to consume it in large quantities. Discuss it with your dietitian, discuss it with your doctor, and set the quantity that you can consume. But people who are trying to regain their strength, regain their energy levels, people who are trying to gain weight, they can take it without any restrictions. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you would like me to do more such videos, do leave a comment in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.